Hello everyone, this is Stephen Key, and today's video is actually going to be on a topic that I wrote for Inc. magazine a couple weeks ago. And the title of this article was, "You're going to need more than one great idea." You see, when I first started out in my early 20s, that's all I thought you needed was one great idea and success would just come to you. But before we talk about this recipe of success, I have to say that success means different things to different people. And what it means to me is to have the freedom to be creative, have the financial freedom to do what I want to do with my life, and also have the ability to help others achieve their success. So I'm going to provide you with my recipe so you can achieve your success.
Okay, Stephen Key here, and I'm in my hometown of Santa Clara, California, and today I'm at the Santa Clara Convention Center, and I'm a judge at the Silicon Valley International Invention Festival. I'm excited to be here. There's going to be inventors and inventions from all over the world, so please come join me. Okay, my recipe, the number one thing that you need to be successful is a very good work ethic. You're going to have to work a lot longer and a lot harder than you ever imagined. Airplanes are going over. This is crazy. I'm right by the airport. Hopefully you can hear me. So let's get back to that work ethic. It's going to take you longer than you think it's going to take. And it's going to be harder than you think it's going to take. And there's no magic person. You're the magic person. You have to work hard. You have to work every single day. And you will get there, I guarantee. So have a plan, work hard, and establish some discipline, because I know we're all creative and we all like to jump around, but you have to have a very disciplined work ethic. Everyone likes to talk about how to protect those ideas, but I'm here to tell you, you need to protect your creativity. This business is not easy, and it will chip away at your creativity. So what you have to do is wear two different hats. You have to wear the business hat, and you have to wear the creative hat. Don't mix them up. Protect your creativity and reward yourself when you work hard. It's very important not to lose your magic just because this business is hard. All right, here's another tip for being successful. Always be curious, always be a student. You can never learn enough. Your education during this whole process never stops. Find the people you want to follow, ask a lot of questions, read as much as you can, but please always be curious and never stop being a student. You never, ever will have all the information. Always keep learning. Here's another tip to be successful, my recipe. Realize that this is not a sprint, it's a marathon, and you're gonna get really tired. So you need to celebrate along the way. The reward is not reaching the mountaintop, it's the journey. You have to enjoy the journey, because once you get to the top of that mountain and look down, the view isn't that great. I can tell you, it's okay. But don't wait for your success and don't wait for it to happen. Enjoy every single day with your family, your friends, meet some great people, have a good time, but please don't wait for that magic day, because it definitely will never happen.
Hi, Stephen Key here, and I have a very, very special guest, Patricia Nolan. She is the author of a very popular book, Ideas to Invention, and she's here because she's a judge at the Silicon Valley Invention Festival. There it is in Santa Clara Convention Center. I'm here with her, and we're looking at these inventions from all over the world. Patricia, how are you? Tell us, are you excited to be here?
I'm super excited. I was here last year And I take it very seriously. You have to really understand the inventions and then base them on 3 criteria. But now I'm teamed up with Stephen, and we're doing it as a team, and it's, I think we come from the same something. Yeah, we're having a blast. It's very fun.
Tell me about your book. Now, it's been out there for a while. I've seen it. It's wonderful.
Thank you.
Why should people buy it?
Because my whole mission is to help inventors not get ripped off. It's based on 27 years now of myself inventing, and I just wrote down everything that I could think of to help inventors. And you can do a lot of the stuff on your own, so it lays out how to do everything step by step. But you also need some human success traits too, because we're all humans, we're all dealing with other human beings. It's not a company that isn't a human. So I also have these 6 traits that I think you can hone and put it with the practical steps, and you'll have some success.
All right, you guys, you heard it here from Santa Clara, California, at the Silicon Valley Invention Festival. Stephen Key, Patricia, you guys pick up the book. You're going to learn a lot.
Thank you, Stephen.
Here's another tip. Help others. Yes, pull the other guy up. If you start to climb that ladder to the top, pull as many people as you can with you. You're going to need a community. You're going to need a lot of people to keep you up at the top. And don't forget, what goes up always comes down. So treat everybody the same. Help your fellow man, and guess what? You'll end up helping yourself.
You need to have a sense of urgency, but please do not rush. Take a deep breath. And when you're making those decisions, take your time. You don't have to rush into any of these decisions. You want to be concerned. You never want to be fearful, but please don't rush. It's just not worth it. All right, here's another tip I want to give you. Be likable. Be that inventor that those companies really want to work with. Do not be that high maintenance inventor that's just a pain in their rear end. You want to respect that executive's time when you're submitting ideas. You want to do a good job when you are submitting those ideas, and don't waste their time. And when they do get back to you, get back to them quickly. Answer all their questions and be that person they want to work with. You want to be flexible, you want to be reasonable, but you want to be that asset, right? You want to be that creative person they're going to count on to keep on sending them ideas. You do not want to be a problem. Here's another tip. Keep improving. Constantly work on yourself. Work on your health, your nutrition. Work on anything you think you potentially maybe have a weakness in. And evaluate what your strengths and weaknesses are, so you can improve on some of the things that need improving upon. And set your goals, not just in your business, but in your life. And do something that is important to you, not only in your career, but to others and to your community. Make friends. That's right. You're going to need your community. Make a lot of friends and build a network of people that you can count on, that you can ask questions, and find that one mentor. My mentor, Steve Askin, I've known in my early 20s. He's actually 82, acts like he's 18. We still talk at least once a month, and he gives me that encouragement, that fellowship that's very important to me. So don't try to do this alone. Just don't try. Build friends. I want to thank everyone for watching this video. I had a blast coming back home to Santa Clara, California. I was honored to be a judge at the Silicon Valley International Invention Festival. I saw some wonderful inventions, met some fantastic inventors, and we all have one thing in common. We'd like to see our creativity come to market. We want to see people use our inventions and make their life just a little bit easier, maybe with some of the things that we're creating. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.